Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 262. Sync and Preview in Design Studio. In the top right corner of the Power Pages Design Studio, you'll find what might be the most powerful button in all the land. It's labeled Preview. It is used all the time to clear the cache of the Power Pages site. Beside it, you'll find the Sync button, which is also used to clear a cache, but a different one. In this tip, we'll look at when you need to use each of these buttons. The Preview button's intended purpose is to allow the editor to preview any changes made to the page that they're on the live site. In order to ensure the live site is showing the latest data, the Preview button also sends a message to the Power Pages site to clear its cache. This additional functionality means that many of us use the Preview button even when we don't care so much about the preview, but are really just interested in the cache being cleared. The Sync button is used to clear the cache of the Design Studio itself. So, if you make a change to the data in Dataverse and want those changes reflected in the Design Studio, click the Sync button. The difference may be best illustrated when using the VS Code for Web integration. VS Code for Web talks directly to Dataverse. It doesn't go through the Power Pages site or the Design Studio. So, if you make a change using this tool, you need to clear the cache. If you want to see your changes reflected in the Design Studio, use the Sync button. If you want to see your changes reflected on the site itself, use the Preview functionality. When I'm working on a Power Pages site using VS Code for Web, I am primarily using the Preview button. This is because I want to see my changes reflected on the site in order to test them. I usually don't care if those changes are reflected immediately in the Design Studio. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 262 on Sync and Preview in the Design Studio useful.